Oh man, this chicken, this pasta is fire. Using the Dano's lemon pepper. Got a recipe for you guys, stick around. What's up friends? We're making you some delicious grilled lemon pepper chicken with some lemon pasta today. Stick around, see how it's done. If you haven't tried this, my friends, it is amazing stuff. There's both lemon peel and lemon oil in here. Very good. All right, we're gonna make a marinade real quick so that way we can just kind of do our chicken a little easier. Put about maybe half a cup oil in here, maybe 3/4, and then some of this delicious lemon powder. That should be good. Give our chicken a nice bath in this. It'll be amazing stuff, you guys. All right, now we're gonna get our chicken ready.